Mrs. McPherson, you must come along with me to answer charges against you. Come on, woman, you're under arrest. Finish me in Calder and go in at the Polish.
Have a Bishop.
Brought to my attention that some of her personal effects had disappeared from the place where she had left them, and the missing items were discovered in the vicinity of her own.
Oh, dear me, yes. That is the shawl belonging to my dear friend, Charlotte.
I then discovered that the finger of suspicion pointed to one of my late wife's nurses.
What a shameful thing to steal from the dead. What a wicked woman.
And can you see this person in this courtroom?
I have no doubt that the suspicion was cast on that woman in the dock over there.
Look at her, pretending not to know a thing. These false innocents from the islands are rotten to the core. Wicked.
This is a woman of highest character. A woman whose honesty has never been called in question. A widow with growing children to support, who would rather die than commit a crime.
I consider this to be a most heinous crime and an appalling abuse of the trust we must all place in our servants. You understand all too well what I'm saying, so you can drop that stupid expression from your face. If this sort of thing is allowed, then none of us can sleep soundly in our beds at night.